Spicy curry beef stew. This is so easy to make. We have here is ginger, garlic, and onion. Heat up some oil. Cook these ingredients first. Add in the beef. Add in cooking sherry. Stir fry for a few minutes. Add in the curry powder, curry paste, oyster sauce, salt, chicken seasoning. Add water. Mix all the ingredients together. Cover it and cook for 20 minutes. While this is cooking, let's check on the minion. They are peeling the carrots. They are very helpful. This one is still learning, but he is doing great. Now the potato. We need about 10 potatoes. This one is a show-off. She wants to show you guys her skills. She tried to peel the skin in one strand, but she failed like a loser. Time to cut, but I am cutting the carrots. And now the potatoes. Wow, look at that. Add in the carrots and potatoes. Mixed it up. Let it cook for another 15 minutes. It's almost done. Smells so good already. Add in the coconut milk at the end, so it doesn't burn. Mix together. It's done. Let's pour it over rice. This is so yummy. Subscribe for more.